Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Huawei Y6 in a version of 2019. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is basically part of the box, and it is in between the manuals. So just remove the card with the pin in there, fold it a bit like this and remove it like that. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. And very nice at the Huawei Y6 in the version of 2019 is that you can enter a microSD card also if you have two SIM cards already in the SIM tray. So the microSD card you will put in the last position like this. Be carefully that everything is correct here. Okay, it has to look like that then. And of course you could use also just one SIM card with a microSD card. And yeah, the contacts are below. And that construction you put back into the phone like this. Carefully that nothing jumps out. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, if you want you can leave me a nice comment or leave me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, if you want you can also have a look on one of my other videos. So I will show you also how you can transfer data then from the internal storage to the microSD card. And yeah, it would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.